Here's our beautiful Toyota Sienna in the Dithridge Street Garage on Carnegie Mellon University's campus. Over there are some Westinghouses, modernized by industrial commercial. Elving Western PA has filmed these when these were Westinghouse. Like I said, in Squirrel Hill, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Nice Ford Fusion. Ooh, I like Ford Fusions. Go use the power door operator. Good. Alright, here it is. I'll go in this one on my own first. Let's go to B. Like I said, there's the old indicator. These used to be Westinghouse. Here we go. Modernized in 2018. Ooh, they're fast. 7.
Or B, going up.
Let's go to 7. This is my first time on CMU. I'm pretty impressed with their elevators. They seem to be maintained pretty good. Sorry for blinking. That's not the indicator, that's the camera. Elevator number 4. These are fast. Whoa. Very fast rate stories. Let's go back to 1 and switch cars.
Going down.
Here we go, switch cars at 1. Go 1 and then switch cars. Looks like they kept original cabs. I don't consider this full replacement. I'd say these are original cabs. Fast. Very fast elevators, but very plain. Innovation Universal, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Industrial commercial elevator, you did a pretty good job with this modernization, keeping original lanterns in cab.
Floor 1.
Says 1 to 6. Says 1 up. And we'll get this one now. We have add playable alarms. Now I'll do this one on my own. This next one. Here it comes. Here it is. B. This time we'll watch the button go out. Door close button works. We like that. Installed sometime in the 80s, modernized in 2018. Fast. 7.
Or B.
So 7. There is a basement of the Dithridge Street Garage. We're at car number 5. Cool. Here we go. This is the last video of CMU. After that will be Gangsta Pizza. From Pizzaroma. These don't sound too good. So back down to 1.
Floor 7, going down.
Oh, it's the teal level. Oh, we're on the teal level. Flip up the shaft. Oh, too late. These are fast. Just like the other one. The other one sounds much better.
Floor 1.
Let's look at the shaft. Oh, IC interlock. Elevator number 5. Ring the bell. Very silent. We're on the red level. There goes and. That's it.